Good morning, grade 10. Our topic for today is all about division of polynomials using remainder theorem and factor theorem. Our learning objectives are performs division of polynomials using long division and synthetic division, and proves the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. In finding remainder theorem, if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus r, the remainder r is a constant and is equal to p of r. Therefore, r is equals to p of r. In factor theorem, the polynomial p of x has x minus r as a factor if and only if p of r is equals to 0. In short, in remainder theorem, pagkatapos mong mag-substitute at may naiwanan na number, except 0, therefore, it is not a factor. Pero kapag ang naiwanan ay 0, therefore, it is a factor. Let's have an example. So, itong example na to, ito din yung given ko sa long division and synthetic division. So, this is again our dividend and this is our divisor. Always get the opposite of the divisor by equating it by 0. So, x plus 5 equals 0. Lipat sa kabila, that will become x equals negative 5. And then write the given p of x equals your dividend to x squared plus 5x minus 23. Substitute the value of x, p times negative 5 or p of negative 5 equals 2 times negative 5 squared plus 5 times negative 5 minus 23. 2 times negative 5 squared, that is positive 25. Then, negative 5 times positive 5, the answer is negative 25 minus 23. And then, multiply 2 to 25, that will become 2. 2 times 25, the answer is 50. Then, add negative 25 and negative 23 kasi pareho naman silang negative. So, that will become negative 48. Then, p of negative 5 equals 50 minus 48. The answer is 2. So, since may naiwan na 2, ibig sabihin, ang remainder niya ay 2. Therefore, x plus 5 is not a factor. Kasi merong remainder na naiwanan, which is positive 2. This is positive 2. Next example. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. So again, equate x minus 1 to 0. That will become x is equal to positive 1. Then write p of x equals 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. Substitute the value of x to your p of x. So that is p of 1 equals 3 times 1 cubed minus 8 times 1 squared plus 3 times 1 plus 2. Then 3 times 1 cubed is still that is 1. 1 times 1 times 1, 1 pa rin yun. Minus 8 times 1 squared, 1 times 1, 1 pa rin yun. Plus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. And then 3 times 1, the answer is 3 minus 8 times 1, the answer is 8 plus 3 plus 2. Pag samasamahin ng lahat ng positive, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Minus yung natitirang 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. So, P of 1 is 0. Since 0 ang ating sagot, therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Now, let us find out if x minus 1 and x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. So, write letter A. The given is x minus 1. Equate it to 0. That will become x equals positive 1. P of x, write the dividend x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. P of positive 1, kasi ang value ng x ay positive 1, is equals to 1 cubed plus 6 times 1 squared plus 11 times 1 plus 6. 1 cubed, 1 times 1 times 1, 1 yon, plus 6 times 1 squared, that is 6 times 1 pa din. Kasi 1 squared is 1, plus 11 times 1, the answer is 11 plus 6. Then 1 plus 6 times 1 is 6 plus 11 plus 6. And add 1 plus 6, the answer is 7, plus 11 plus 6, the answer is 17. And 7 plus 17, the answer is 24. So, P of 1 is 24. Since may naiwanan na number at hindi naman siya 0, therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. Let us answer letter B. Given x plus 2, find if it is a factor or not. So, x plus 2, equate it to 0. X is equal to negative 2. Write the given P of x equals x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. Substitute P of negative 2 equals value ng x, substitute negative 2 cubed plus 6 times negative 2 squared plus 11 times negative 2 plus 6. Negative 2 cubed. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, that is negative 8. Plus 6 times negative 2 squared, the answer is positive 4. Kasi negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is positive 4. And then, positive 11 times negative 2, the answer is negative 22 plus 6. Then, copy negative 8 plus 6 times 4. The answer is 24 minus 22 plus 6. pagsama-samahin ng positive at negative. So, 24 plus 6, the answer is 30. And 8, negative 8 plus 22, the answer is negative 30. So, positive 30 minus 30, the answer is 0. So, therefore, since the answer is 0, therefore, x plus 2 is a factor. Our task for the day: study remainder theorem and factor theorem on page 22 to 24. Do learning task 2A and B on page 25 of your learner's module, and then answer quiz number 4. Your references will be our WHLP, our learner's module on page 22 to 24, grade 10 math LM ebook na nakapost sa GC, which is from page 57 to 75, quiz number 4, which is the printed copy given to you, and the video lesson posted on your FB group if you have an access. Remember, keep training and keep learning until you get it right. Thank you.